Okay, we still try to answer exercise 5. Number, where are we now? Number, yeah, Ringgold and White study we find in 6th paragraph. Okay, what's the issue? The issue that they want to study, investigate. Okay, survey research is widely used. Following is an example of it in states of Georgia where political controversy arose over the Confederate battle emblem on the state flag, which was added to the flag in 1956. Ringgold and White wanted to learn whether the symbol was connected with pride with a new South identity. Okay, so the issue they want to study is Confederate battle. Yeah, a political controversy arose over the Confederate battle. Okay, good job. And number 6, for what research analysis is used? For what research? Okay, in what paragraph can we find this answer? Okay, let's see. Quickly scan. How about we read 7th paragraph about content analysis. Okay, content analysis is a technique for examining information or content in written or in symbolic material. In content analysis, a researcher first identifies a body of material to analyze, and then creates a system for recording specific aspects of it. The system might include counting how often certain words or themes occur. Finally, the researcher records what was found in the material. He or she often measures information in the content as numbers and presents it as tables or graphs. This technique lets a researcher discover features in the content of large amounts of material that might otherwise go unnoticed. Content analysis is used for exploratory and explanatory research, but is most often used in descriptive research. Yeah, content analysis and research analysis is the same terms. Okay, number 7, the dominant voice in commercial of non-domestic products. Where is the paragraphs which talk about commercial? I saw in the 8th paragraph. Let's read together. 3 studies illustrate content analysis research. Love that studied gender role stereotypes in television commercials to see whether any change occurred between the blah blah blah. She recorded all commercials on 2 networks between blah 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 and coded the product advertised setting blah blah blah. She coded and she learned that 91% of commercials had voiceovers. 90% of those had male voices. 90%. Okay. So the research in the 1970s reported that voiceovers were used in only the 69% of commercials, in which 90% had male voice. In both times, men were used more for non-domestic. Yeah, we find the keywords non-domestic products. So the answer is male voices, which most is the dominant voice in commercial of non-domestic products. Good job. And number 8, the conclusion of Taylor and Stein's research. Where is the name? What paragraph that talk about Taylor and Stein's study? In the next paragraphs. What is the conclusion? It must be in the last line. The researchers concluded that television advertising reinforces the modern minority stereotype. That's the answer. Okay, good job. And number 9, how many statements practitioner experts made in Wells and Fenwick's research? Find Wells and Fenwick's research. In what paragraph? Wells and Fenwick's. Fenwick. Wells and Fenwick. Okay, in 10 paragraph. What the question asks, how many statements practitioner experts? Let's read the sentence in the middle. Practitioners experts made 151 statements. Yeah, so the answer is 151 statements. Okay, and number 10, when they analyze the contents of feature articles. Where is it? Still in the 10th paragraph. Okay, want to see how the mass media report and represent crime. They conducted a content analysis of statements in featured articles on crime in 4 major US newspapers for the period from 1992 to 1995. That's the answer. Good job. And number 11, for what purpose existing research statistics are used? Yeah, in 11th paragraph talk about existing statistic. What is the purpose? Okay, let's see in the from the beginning. In the existing statistics research locates a source of previously collected information, often in the form of government reports or previously conducted surveys. He or she then reorganized or combines the information in new ways to address a research question. Locating sources can be time-consuming, so that researcher needs to consider carefully the meaning of what he or she finds. Frequently, a researcher does not know whether the information of interest is available when he or she begins a study. Sometimes the existing quantitative information consists of a store, survey, or other data that a researcher re-examines using various statistical procedures. This is called secondary analysis research. Existing statistic research can be used for, the answer is exploratory, descriptive, or explanatory purposes, but it's most frequently used for descriptive research. Okay, that's the answer. And number 12, what Trovato did with existing statistic? Where is Trovato study? Trovato. Yeah, in the last paragraph. Trovato used existing statistics to test a theory from Emile Durkheim about social integration. That's the answer. Good job. And number 13, the name of re-examine stored survey or a data by using various statistical procedures. What is the name? We already read it. Yeah, in the 11th paragraph. This is called the existing quantitative information consists of stored survey or other data that a researcher examines using various statistical procedures. This is called, yes, secondary analysis research. And number 14, what Grant and associates learned during they did the research. Okay, it must be in the last second line of the paragraph. Can you see in the last second paragraph of the text? Yeah, here. Also, they learn that various forms of violent death are interrelated or appear to have a common cause. Okay, so what they learn, what Amgren and associates learn about various forms of violent death. Okay, that's the answer. And number 15, the last question. What you need to match a research question to an appropriate data collection technique. What you need? What paragraph? Yes, in the first paragraph, last sentence. It takes skill, practice, and creativity to match a research question to an appropriate data collection technique. Okay, you do a good job. Well done. For the first lesson, you can catch up the lesson very quick, and I feel appreciate your work. So because this is almost 11th, I feel glad to teach you for tonight. And you can you imagine that from the beginning, from the around 45 until 1 hour, we can read, answer all questions from 5 exercise. How can we make it? Because we do scanning. When we do scanning, we find the specific information to correct, to find the information that we need. So I remind you that these strategies cannot can practice, not only can practice in class but also out of class. So I hope that you also do these strategies when you have a leisure time. You read English text and try to find to answer another exercise, because our class only have 2 hours, so we cannot answer all exercise from module 1. And in the next meeting we will discuss about scheming, another reading strategies that also need a quickly reading for okay. Yes. Okay, so thank you for your for your attention, for your participation. See you. Bye bye.